I didn't drive 14 hours for just any surgery. I had to have my skull detached from my spine to avoid being paralyzed. I'm Phil, and this is my team at Northwestern Medicine. My nurses, my neurologist, and my neurosurgeon. After feeling unsure about my first hospital, I found Northwestern Medicine. My spine was pushing into my brainstem, and they assembled the team that put my mind at ease.
Number 2 in the nation for neurology and neurosurgery, Phil's team at Northwestern Medicine took on his rare condition. During surgery, the top of Phil's spine was removed to decompress the brainstem. His team then rebuilt his spine. This innovative procedure put him back on his feet in days instead of weeks.
My team didn't just give me back my life, they gave my girls back their dad.
Northwestern Medicine, what makes us better makes you better.